Hello everybody, welcome to Crazy Lady Fridays. Look at what my friend made. She came up for a workshop and she wanted to try doing shoes. Is that not incredible? So today I'm going to resin them. So I'm going to try and carefully put resin around, clean them up. Isn't that amazing? I don't think you can wear them, but it'd be kind of cool hanging on the wall. Isn't that neat? So, my version is with these. Got these at the dollar store. I painted them just with a coat of white paint, just so that the paint would stick to it. And I'm going to make a girl one and a boy one. So let's see what happens. Okay, so the girl one, I'm going to do pink, of course. I don't know what you could do with these. Maybe just, put them on a little baby girl's dresser, put some dried flowers or something in. So I'm just gonna use kind of girly colors. Oh, get the lid off. Some nice pink, pink. Put a little bit of gold in, just for a little bit of bling. Girls like bling. Don't know if it'll show up, but we put her in. Put some more white. And then I've got some fluorescent pink. Yeah. I don't know how much it's going to take. I don't think it'll take that much. Some light pink. A bit more white, more fluorescent, a little bit more gold, just squirting her right in. Is that going to be enough? Is that going to be enough? That's my big problem, I never kind of put enough paint in, but I think I guess if I pour it, I'm not sure what to do. No, that won't work. Okay, I'm just gonna pour it down the side. Let me start here where it's deeper. Oh, okay, come on, go. Whoa, that looks nice. Oh, I'm even getting some cells. Okay, I'm gonna go around one time all the way around. I want to make sure I got enough paint. I'm just such a paint miser that I end up not using enough. I don't know, on the top, how are we doing? A little bit more there. I think the rest will drift down. Now what to do? Oh, it looks so nice. I don't know what to do on here. Ah! Where do I hold it? If I hold it, I stick my hand in here. Maybe that's the trick. I'm gonna end up with paint up to my chin, but I hope it sticks on here. That's why I put the white paint on it, so that it would grab, I'm hoping that that'll make it stick. Oh, I think I'll have enough. I might have to. Oh, I've got bubbles. I got some bubbles. get it all. I even have some paint left. Coasters. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see. I don't see any gold. Again, doesn't show up. That's kind of nice. Okay, let me torch it a bit. Cool. Coola. Okay. How am I going to put it down? There. If I go under here. Oh, but the thingy's on the... Oh, I guess it's okay. Oops. Oh, it's a good thing I have more paint. I know what happened. It sunk down on the cup. I should have solved this problem before I poured more paint because I'm going to have the same problem again. Maybe not. Okay, so I'm going to be more careful putting it down. Okay, stay there. Is it going to fall over? I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Yeah, no, it's not. Oh, I know. I need to get another bigger cup. Or, no, that won't work. I need another cup. Okay, stay there. Oh, that works. Here we go. Okay, wash my hands. And I'm gonna go for the blue one. I can't wait to see what those shoes look like resined. So cool. Be really nice. You know, it'd be cool to do a bunch of them and like make a wall hanging out of them. Oh, the things you can do. Thank goodness for dollar stores. Okay. Well, whoa, don't take that one away. Move those and let's go for the blue. Go for the blues. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of white in first. And some of this nice leftover navy. Pretty thick. Throw her in. And I have a fluorescent green. I have a fluorescent blue. Green. But green's kind of a boy color. And I want to put, let's put a bit of purple. And that was roughly the right amount of paint, I think. Ooh, crazy. Let's put in a little bit of silver. Some light blue. And a little bit more of this dark blue. Navy. This is really thick. Let's put a bit of that. I don't think there's anything left in here. Nope. That one's ready to be washed out. Maybe a bit more light blue. Okay, I think I'm going to go with that. Maybe one more little shot of white. Is that enough? I can't remember how much I did. I think that's about the same as I did with the other one. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Now, what did I learn from the last one? I forget. I forget everything. Okay, so I'm going to kind of... Oh, I got pink on here. Here goes. Here goes. Let's go all the way around. Oh, goodness, look at the cells. Where did they come from? I didn't put, what did I do last time? I think I put my hand underneath. Whoa. Okay. Oh, there's a fly buzzing around again. Drive me crazy. Get away. Look, he's trying to get on the boot. Oh my gosh. Oops. Oh, I see what happened last time. When I put my hand in, the cup is pushing inside. Wow, crazy. I think that's gonna do it. You see? Is that not cool? Look at that. Is that gonna go all the way? Oh, look at the pink. How did that get there? I think that's almost got it. A little bit more. Oh, I've got a hair in there. Got a little bit of everything. Just a little bit there. I need to get it to stretch down. A little bit on the toe. I don't want to pour any more on it. Looks good. Looks pretty cool. Okay, so let's get rid of some bubbles. Oh, look at the pink. Oh, go away, go away. It's kind of neat to do these with like baby shoes or something. Or even if you just resin them, you know, to preserve them. I don't know. Ah. Okay, now I'm going to get some more cups. Put under there. I'll put this one over here. Oops. Let's see if this will work. It's got these little wee loopy things. I'll try and cover those as well. Okay, I'm going to put it over here, like that. That should be high enough. Oh, still sinks right down. Okay, if I put this here, so it won't fall. Okay, cool. Okay, so look at this paint I have left. And let's do some posters. I'm going to do some that are, yep, can't do anything else with that paint, so let's just pour it there. I'm going to do a mix, some pink, let's just get that paint out of there, and some blue, or like half and half, eh? We'll see. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do a half and half. Ooh, nice, nice. And I'm going to be able to nudge half and half. Nudge blue on that side. That's kind of neat. Okay, that looks good. Side, pink on this side. That's kind of nice. some of that over there. Ah. Oops, not enough pink. Ah! Did I move the thing? I must have moved my thingy do. There we go. Okay. Okay, so this guy's okay. Nudge it over there. Maybe pink there. Ooh, I need both here. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I'll do that. Look at that. That's neat. I mean, use those for, I know, you could use these boots for a reveal party. Ooh, that'd be cool. I should have one more coaster kicking around. I always do them in sets of 4. There it is. This one isn't taped on the bottom, so I'll have to deal with that later. Okay, I'm gonna have to scoop some paint over. Oh, that one's too severe. It's too half and half. That's better. A little bit of pink there. Scoop over there a little bit. Scoop some blue. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna let. Oh, these coasters are awesome. Just touch the boot again. Okay, so I'm gonna let all this stuff dry. And I'm gonna try and resin those boots as well. So that's in a couple of weeks. After I resin them, I'll show you. And there we go. So now let's go back to the world of sanity.